Hello, welcome to Natori. My name is Gabriella, and I've been fitting for over 10 years. Today we're going to talk about how your strapless should fit. A strapless is designed to give you lift without the straps. At Natori, our strapless are functional and stylish with a no-slip elastic for stay-put support. Here's 3 quick tips to ensure you're wearing the right fit. Is your center gore laying flat against your chest? If not, most likely your cup is too small. Is your underwire clearing your breast tissue? If you're feeling any digging in or bulging on the top of the cup, most likely your cup is too small. Your band should be snug and parallel to the floor. We should always be starting on the outer hook. If you're on one of the first hooks, most likely your band is too big. Now I'm going to show you how to fit yourself at home. We're going to start with your band size. First, you're going to put the measuring tape directly under your bust line with a tight squeeze and your arms down. For the cup size, you're going to hold the tape loosely around the fullest part of your breast and your arms are down. Be sure to check out our fit guide.